Today's word is go dark. What does it mean? Where do you use it? What does it mean when a company goes dark? Let's find out these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms, again, if any. Let's start. Pronunciation. Go dark. What does it mean? It means to stop all activities or communication for a fairly long period of time, albeit temporarily. It can be used in business or even espionage. That's also a general term. Let's look at some practical ways of using them in sentences. The company's Noida factory went dark for 2 months on account of a threatened strike. All TV channels went dark as a mark of protest against the illegal arrest of a journalist. The agent went dark when she realized that her cover had been blown. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary. Remember, you've got to own it to use it. Merely watching this video once and passing over to another will not help you. Now let's look at one question. What does it mean when a company goes dark? It means the company has delisted itself from the stock exchange and has gone private. Their shares are no longer available to be bought and sold in the open market on the stock exchange. And now let's look at some synonyms. Delist, go incognito, go underground. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.